Hello friends. So today we will be learning about SSLV and PSLV. So SSLV and PSLV and the difference. We'll see a little bit of difference between them. So SSLV, it will be a short video. So SSLV. Uh, the full form of SSLV is a small satellite launch vehicle. So SSLV, small satellite launch vehicle, and PSLV is polar satellite launch vehicle. So that's the full form of both. The good thing about SSLV is that it is indigenous. So if uh, um, so if a vehicle is indigenous means it is entirely, the components are mostly made in India. So the length, it is 34 meter and 2 meter tall, uh, and it has got 4 stages, and it can carry 300 kilograms of load capacity, and it is funded by NSIL, New Space India Limited. So SSLV is funded by New Space India Limited. And the good thing about SSLV is that you do not require lot many people to lot many people to control it. Only if 6 people are enough for SSLV to operate. And the number of stages that SSLV, that is small satellite launch vehicle, has, they are four. It has 4 stages, and the fourth stage is called velocity trimming module, VTC. You may remember it, you may not remember it. It is not important. Fourth stage, just VTM. Try to remember velocity trimming module. It has 3 segments: NS, MS, and HES. You can see that NES is nodal and segments, and HES is head and segment. And it is not per launch, so it requires $4 to $5 million. So it is not very expensive, only $4 to $5 million. Of course it's expensive, but it is not very expensive. If you compare it with, like, in terms of its operability and cost benefit. Second is the PSLV. So you know that PSLV is polar satellite launch vehicle. The good thing about PSLV, SSLV, is that you can see that third stage of PSLV is second stage of SSLV. So the mechanism with which both operate, so the design, the implementation of the module, everything, a lot of time and lot of cost and lot of energy could be saved. And the time for designing the implementation, the time for implementing the design, it could be saved. It is definitely saved, because the third stage of PSLV is almost equivalent to second stage of SSLV. SSLV, small satellite launch vehicle, its height is 44 meter, you can see. And it operates in 2000 kilogram. So it means its weight is 2000 kg, and it operates in lower earth orbit. And the launching cost is 18 to 28 million dollars. So you can you can see that $4 to $5 million is per launch is SSLV, and 18 to 28 million dollars is PSLV. So PSLV is little bit expensive, but definitely the PSLV is very useful, for very useful, because it has got multi-purpose use. So let us revise in short. SSLV, it is small satellite launch vehicle. It is indigenous, that is, it is made entirely in India. The length is 34 meter, and it's 2 meter tall. It has 4 stages, and it can carry 300 kilogram load capacity. Is funded by NSIL, New Space India Limited. 6 people can operate. And VTM fourth stage, it is called velocity trimming module. And third segment is three segments: NES, MS, and HES. And NES is nozzle, nasal end segment, and HES is head end segment. $4 to $5 million per launch. So third stage of PSLV is equivalent to second stage of SSLV. It is 44 meters tall, and it is 2000 kg carrying capacity, and it can operate in lower earth orbit. And 18 to 28 million dollars per launch, PSLV. And SSLV, it requires 4 to 5 million dollar per launch. So SSLV is a bit cheaper, even though it is simple and indigenous. So that's all for today. Thank you, friends.